Hey, what's up guys? Jake with Legacy 4x4. I'm going to show you where we're at on the Commando today and share the exciting news that the Commando is now finally on all fours. Big day, big day. Commando is on its legs again. I got the front suspension finally finished up. Do a quick walk around and see where we're at. There she is in all of her glory. Still got plenty of stuff I have to do. Basically right now I just have the big strokes done. So I want to add some gussets here and on the inside for some more stability. I'm going to do a crossbar across the front here once I get the grill back on, again for stability. I'm going to do the same in the rear with the gussets, crossbar of some kind. I'm also going to come through and box in all of this. I just haven't had time to do it yet. I do still have to weld this. I had issues. I started to try there, but I had issues because of the angle, trying to get in there with the transmission and everything in place. So I'm going to wait until I pull the transmission back out again in a few weeks or months before I fix that. There she is in the front. Still need to fine tune the Panhard bar. I'm not a huge fan of how that's looking right now, but that's why I went with the Barnes, which as you can see there has adjustable mounting points, so I can drop this down to here and make it a little bit more flat. I still have to put the steering on. That needs to happen. It should fit fine in there. I'm going to mount the steering gearbox right there in the inner frame rail. There's no really other place to put it with how much this vehicle is stretched now. But yeah, you can see those long arms, big and long. Front drive shaft is only connected by zip ties, so I need to actually get the proper connector for that. Rear drive shaft is not in there at all. I need to play with it. I might be raising the transmission up a couple of inches. So I've got it currently slung. I don't know why that's tilted. Oh, I've got it currently slung underneath it like that. I might raise it up. Here's another spot I want to do some gusseting. Hit some gussets down there. I need to trim this little lip here. You can see it kind of sticks out, so I need to trim it and weld it flat. Obviously need to do a lot of motor work. Haven't even touched that yet. So plenty more to do. But this is how she is now. Super excited because she's on all fours again. Starting to look like a Jeep. I'm thinking gonna bring the body in here pretty soon and start kind of cutting that to fit. I gotta build, so I'll do a different video of the gusseting and all the finishing touches I have to do here, and then I'll bring the body in. I'm gonna do some do-it-yourself body mounts, I think, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So stay tuned for more. Gonna have plenty more coming. I got lots more things to do on this Jeep. It's barely getting started, but at least it's starting to look like a Jeep again. So take care guys. Like, share, subscribe. Let us know that you appreciate what we're doing. Take care.